Very nice, cute. Nakakatakot. Are you ready for therapy?
Slime.
Let's do this. Come on. Now, how does this make you feel?
Actually, I tried it getting out, but I didn't. There's also glitter.
This.
Glitter.
No.
And
This one?
also,
This. I kind of like it. Now, see, you are not 100%. And if you do not actually like it, then it will just be excess baggage. Clutter in your closet, and you will not have space for new and better things. So goodbye.
Vibe Coding 101 Part 3. Stop typing your prompts. Seriously. Your prompt and cursor...
Does this make you happy?
You know what really make me happy?
What?
That cute guy from earlier. I've seen you talk to him in your native language. Who is he? Thousand.
Kuna.
Euro.
Daw, na-check po ng immigration. Oh,
Everything would have been fine except this idiot started running.
do not call him that. He's it.
Would you stop it, the two of you? We have bigger issues than this now. Listen, Billy, I hope you understand. This is going to be tough on all of us.
Nadali si mjesec dana da plati kazne I kamate. Fix that or I will kick him out. Da, ne želim probleme zbog nekog jebenog imigranta.
I'm so sorry, Billy, for causing any problems.
Don't worry. We'll fix it. That date you were asking with my kababayan? Pin pa lang.
Kapal talaga itong mukhaan nito.
Eddie, hindi kuya. Sabo?
Kapal mo, ano kailangan mo? Order ka ulit, hugas uli ako.
Ito naman. Kaya nga nandito eh. Hihingi lang ng tawad. Makabawal man lang sila. Raso ko sa'yo. Kukunti lang ang Pilipino dito. Tayo-tayo lang ang magtutulungan. Ito naman, hindi ko nga sinasadya yun eh. Dapat na babalikan kita eh. Meron lang akong pinagtahan na emergency. Kung gusto mo, doon ka na lang sa amin. May Pinoy doon. Isang hapon, dalawang Croatian. Para kami pagnalo. Sige na. Hindi ba pwedeng humingi ng second chance? Mobile homes, inspired din ng hilig ng mga Croats sa mga campers. Croats as in short for Croatians. So ngayon, yun yung mas madaling itayo, mas mura. Kaya yung iba ginawang resort, yung iba tirahan ng mga workers ng resort. Parang yung titirhan natin. Charan! Welcome sa aming mapagkumabang tahanan. Or in English,
Humble abode.
Drop it, I could just drop the container in there.
ito ang aming pamilya. Ito si Helen. Si Gordon. Hi! Ay, sorry. Hello!
Pilipino ka rin?
Oo, half Filipino, half Gereng-heng. Ito naman si Yuta, ang kasama namin dito. Hi. Gabo, no friend. Hi. Hi. Hindi yan titigil. Hi.
Hi.
Ito naman si Leppy, the owner of the house.
Hi. Welcome. Sa aming bahay.
Half Pilipino?
No, half Croatian, but half crazy, you know?
Wow. Tko je ovo? Ako misliš dovesti doma još jednog krpelja, bolje nemoj. Jedva mi imamo mjesta ovdje. Oh, here we go again. Woo!
So, pumayag na sila. You could stay here. But you have to pay 200 kuna.
200. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Like,
Just make sure to respect our space. This is our room.
Yes. Thank you.
Huwag ka mag-alala, mababait naman yung mga yan. Hindi lang nalata kay Victoria.
So, kung yun ang kwarto nila, kayo naman dito?
Oh, coming here.
Si Yuta. Ako.